So finally, let's talk about the shared responsibility. That is your responsibility and AWS responsibility based on the EC2 instance we've learned so far. And on the AWS, they are responsible for the infrastructure, which is simply the global network security of EC2. So where the data centers are, where all of that are, they are responsible for taking care of it, and also the isolation of physical hosts as well. And they are also responsible for replacing faulty hardware in case anything goes wrong with any of the machines or the hardware. They are responsible for that. Then lastly, they are responsible for the compliance and validation. So, but for you are responsible for the security group rules. Okay, remember we created security group rules like firewalls. We're responsible for that. And also you are responsible for the operating system which you select. And also if there's any need for updates or patches, you would be responsible for updating all of that stuff here. And also the software and the utilities installed on EC2, the applications you install, okay, you would be responsible for that as well. And the IAM rules, which was about the last topic we did practically, you'll be responsible for assigning IAM rules to EC2 and the IAM user access management as well. And then lastly, the data security on your instance, you will be responsible for that. Okay, so that's the shared responsibility model for EC2.